My name is Dr. James, and today I'd like to share with you 14 early signs of chronic kidney disease. Normally, people rely on blood tests for kidney damage to be detected. Unfortunately, any detection in the blood may show or may indicate a late stage or a middle stage of kidney damage, maybe chronic kidney disease stage 3 or 4. So normally at the stage cannot appear in the blood. Why? Because kidneys will naturally work harder to compensate for the loss of function, so this will continue and then continue until the kidneys are really damaged. In fact, about 40, 50, 60% damage before any urea or creatinine, that is the waste products, appear in the blood. Kidneys are so important to preserve or to take care of because they are really important to get rid of waste and regulate fluid, control our blood pressure, important for our bone health, and of course oxygenation, because they will produce a hormone called erythropoietin to stimulate our bone marrow to produce red blood cells, which is important for oxygenation. So when they are damaged, you see that we're losing a lot. So what are the 14 key symptoms that precede anything that is seen in the blood? Number one is fatigue and weakness, because naturally if the kidneys are going down, there will be a lot of waste in the blood. People feel weak, and also oxygenation can decrease because of the hormones may not be properly produced. Number two, changes in urination. So individuals may need to urinate more often at night. It's called nocturia. Or during the day, there could be increase in urine output or decrease in urine output. Sometimes the appearance of urine can also indicate kidneys are also dying. That is foamy urine or bubbly urine or darker urine because of the red blood cell going through the nephrons into the urine. Number three is the swelling of ankles and feet, because if the kidneys don't regulate the fluid well in the body, naturally there will be swelling in the ankle and feet. And then around the eyes, because the skin around the eyes is quite thin, it's quite delicate, so when the kidneys don't regulate fluid well, then individuals may have puffy eyes. Number five is dry and itchy skin. So because of accumulation of waste, individuals may also feel dryness and itchiness of the skin. Number six is metallic taste in the mouth, because there's a buildup of waste in the blood, and it can also lead to bad breath, and also it can affect the way we smell. And number seven is nausea or vomiting because of accumulation of waste, that is uremia in the blood. It can cause nausea or vomiting and reduce appetite as well. Number eight is shortness of breath because of buildup of fluid in the lungs, that is pulmonary edema. So that can lead to shortness of breath, and also the kidneys may not be able to produce the hormone erythropoietin, so there's a less oxygenation that can also cause that problems with breathing, shortness of breath. Number nine is a feeling cold. When even the environment is warm, you can feel cold. Number 10 is dizziness and trouble concentrating because of a reduction of oxygen in the blood and then getting to the brain. Number 11 is a pain in the lower back. The individuals may also experience pain in the lower back. Number 12 is the high blood pressure. It's not a disease, but it may indicate the kidneys are not really working well. Number 13 is muscle cramp because of imbalance of minerals like calcium and magnesium. And number 14 is darkening of the skin, that you lose the brightness of your skin. Well, if you have any kidney problem, just a call away. Calling outside the UK is +44 738 464 7300. Thank you very much for listening to me.